Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode, it's cool missing right here, and basically what this is a step trash can. So basically it has a little step option in the bottom, so you can definitely use that option to actually open up the trash can, which is super convenient. And for the one that we got here, it actually has like an odor control inside, which is pretty awesome as well. So that way when you guys put trash inside, you don't have to worry about like the odor, the smell, or whatever. But for the one that we got right here, if you can see, it's 3 gallon. They actually have these in like different size and different shapes. So whether you guys want like a bigger trash can or smaller trash can, or if you guys want like a different shape, they actually have a lot of different design and different shape available for you guys. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you guys prefer. And this is from the brand called iTouchless. Let me actually open up and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you first open up the package, you can see they provide you guys a user manual right here to teach you guys how to set a product and how to use it. And then right underneath that, you can see the product inside right there, and it's all well protected and everything. Let's take it out. Alright, so when you guys take it out, you can see the product is right here and it's all well packaged and everything. Let's take out all the wrappers and everything first. So when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. It definitely looks like a high quality material that they use on here. That's stainless steel, if you can see. And even for the step option right here is stainless steel as well. So basically the way how you use the product is just by using your feet right here to actually step on here. And they actually will open the top part here. Let me show you guys what I mean. Alright, so you see how it opens up right there. So you basically want to take off this part here first. And if you guys notice when we open up the top part here, and once we let go, it doesn't slam. It actually closes down by itself, which is pretty nice. And also when we open the inside right here, if you can see, they do have the odor control right here. So you basically want to open up the bag right here and open this slot right here to put it inside. So I'm actually open up this part first to show you guys how to set it up. So you basically want to open it up like that. Take this part out. Once you guys take this out, you guys can put it back inside. And now we're going to put this back inside right here. And then close up the lid. Make sure it's sealed in. So once you guys have it sealed in, then you definitely have the odor control inside now. And the cool thing about this product is the fact that how they designed the inside bin right here. It is removable. So I'm going to take it out. This is basically what the product looks like inside. And that's basically what the inside looks like. So basically the steps to right here is controlled inside right there. So basically when you guys press on it, it basically opens the trash can using that option at the bottom. But I definitely love the fact of how it has a no slam design. So that way when you guys open it and close it, it doesn't slam down, which is pretty nice. But this is basically what the product looks like right here. If you actually look at the bottom, this is basically what the bottom part looks like. So you definitely have the non-slip material on the bottom. So that way it actually prevents the product from moving around when you guys set it up. And then right here is basically the back part. So if you guys want to carry it around, you can definitely carry it around like that really easily. But see the way how to design this specific trash can right here, it fits perfectly if you guys want to put it right next to like your toilet seat or whatever, which is pretty nice. And so the material that they use on here is stainless steel. It's really easy to maintain and really easy to actually clean as well. And then for the lid option, if you guys want to stay up, you basically want to push the part down like this. And then if you guys want to keep it up, you just want to push it back. Just like that. And it stays up. And it's basically being locked onto this part right here if you guys want to use that option. If you guys want to close it back down, just go like this. And then close back down, if you can see. So definitely really cool how to give you guys the option to use like a step option when you guys want to open up and close the trash can right here. And if you guys want to keep it up, it definitely gives you guys that option as well. And I really like the fact that how they have removable trash bin as well. So that actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to take out the bin and throw away if you guys need to as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually set this up to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have a trash can. So let's try it out and show you guys how it works. So you basically just want to use your feet to actually step on right here. And it opens up, if I can see. And once you guys let go, it closes by itself. And basically, if you guys want to keep the lid open, you just want to pull it open like this. So once you guys lock it right there, it'll stay up, unless you guys close it by yourself like this. And then once you guys step on again, and let go, then it goes back to normal mode right here, where it closes by itself. And like I mentioned, for the bin inside, if you guys want to take it out, you can definitely take it out really easily. So that makes sense to take out the bag really easy and replace it every single time. And once you have it done, put it back inside right here. And you guys want to close this part right here. And then you guys are basically all set. So this is basically what the product looks like and how to actually use it. If you can see, it's really simple to actually use the product. Alright, so you see how we have our trash can set right here in the restroom. So you basically put it on this side, or if you guys want to put it on the other side, you definitely can. But basically however your restroom is set up, you basically want to get the correct shape or size. The one that we got right here fits perfectly right here. So when we actually step on it, it opens up right there. And when you guys let go, it slowly closes up the lid, which is pretty nice. I will come back, guys. So now you can take a test of the product and definitely see that she does work and it's quite well. Super easy to use product and super easy to maintain as well. If you can see the way how they designed this trash can is so perfect, ranging from the removable trash can, the step option, the non-slamming lid, the fact of how it has the odor control, and also the fact of how you guys can keep the lid open if you guys want to. Basically everything about this product is perfectly made, but now that you're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the trash can, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you're trying to look for a high quality portable trash can to use, whether it's used in your bedroom, your bathroom, or wherever you guys want to use it. That is up to you guys. And like I mentioned, they do make a lot of different type of trash can, ranging from round ones to rectangle ones, like the one you can see right here, and many other shape and design as well. But regardless of which you guys get, they all work really well. So I would definitely have to say that this is worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.